Today seemed like a good day to get in this deflatable kayak, as it were, and I've paddled from Sheep Gulch down the Snake River. I'm on my way to Melvin Brewing. It's one of the best breweries in the country, in the world. What a better way to get there than via kayak, or beer or three. Paddled down the semi-white water. Now I'm just floating by the bridge here in Alpine. It's pretty nice. Once I'm done floating around like this for a bit, I'll paddle the last little stretch to Melvin Brewery. There's a little dock at their brewery. Pretty slick. Go drink some beer. Not to say I don't have one already. Shout out to their Cloudy 5000. This girl behind me with a domesticated duck on her paddleboard. George. Gotta love life. Cheers. Beer.